Yo. What's good, YouTube? You don't know what time it is. You don't know, so the Dan is back in the damn building, man. We're back with another banger, another reaction. I don't feel like, yeah, man, you don't know. Yeah, man, triple upload Jambisco is back in the building. You see me? Multiple videos a day, Jambisco is back in the building. Consistent. Jambisco is back in the building. And we see Skillibeng, Missbnasty. Let's get it. You know? Hey, I like this beat right here. You feel me? Is that like is that Arabian or Indian or Arabian horns? You see me? Then you got the dance drums on beat. The beat about. Come in. It's Arabic horns. Look at those flutes.
She real naughty, yeah, like Missbnasty, yeah, so clean and decent,
yeah.
She real nasty,
yeah. I'm so clean and decent, but she real nasty. Come on, Skillibeng, hold on, pull it up, man. I was never expecting this topic of Skillibeng. As if you're a dancer artist for that matter.
She real naughty, yeah, like Missbnasty, yeah, so clean and decent, but she real nasty, yeah. Triple X rated graphics, yeah. She love trees and drinks. She's such a freak, yeah.
Triple X rated graphics around here, bro. She like trees and drinks, brother. Yeah, see, boy, Skillibeng is a freak on that cover, you know. Yeah, man.
She don't give a shit. She love big body. Fuck from now till the morning.
Hey.
I make you sweat like say you saw sprint. When you
box. You see me? I want to hear from. I want because like say, hey, talk to them. I could talk to them. Come in.
Fuck from now till the morning. I make you sweat like say you saw sprint. When you brace up your pussy for me. Your feet, yeah. Ain't no smell nothing. And now you clean like clean laundry.
Easy now. Easy now, man. No smell nothing. Clean like clean laundry. Yeah, man.
Like Christmas gift.
Yeah.
She's such a bitch. Yeah. She loves sucking.
Boy, she knows the teacher. Yo, Missbnasty, she's a teacher, 6-101.
She eat your kids, them, if you got money.
She eat your kids, them, if she got money. Hey, boy, Skillibeng. Tell you, Skillibeng, bro. Skillibeng is not a cartel, bro. You see me, I say? No joke. Man, talk about the topics that most people, you know? Yeah.
Love when you bounce by my dick. Say you do it like a porn star bitch. She steal your ear.
No joke though, Skillibeng not do it big, you know. You see me, all these people them over here argue about who crossing over and who. Skillibeng over here said us do it. You see me, I say? No joke. Cause we are look say over here, who gonna be the next crossover? Who gonna be the when bro, Skillibeng pretty much did it, bro. When you look at collabs, song topics, genres, this nigga pretty much crossover, bro. He did like what? Collabs with what? Widow, Busta Rhymes. I think he did French Montana, Richie Kid, Jay Critch, Nardo Wick. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so, bro, she ain't out here doing it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
Interest make a whole profit, yeah. Do what she wanna, yeah. Be a fishy time and she don't leave. So she brought up. She says she not caring a while, cause the world leave her. Do what she wanna. Do what she wanna.
I know Skillibeng had fun making this damn video, boy. I know he had fun making this video, boy.
Cute face on your ass and your pussy fat. Love when me beat up your pussy like coming up. She not care and she face to no pussy.
Yeah, man, cute face and your pussy fat. Beat up your like coming in this tone, man. Hey, yeah, man.
Glad skill anywhere, any day, come and put it on. Put it on. Fuck panny stay till you need them match it back.
Hey.
Come till you shake how you need them and go chip off. What's up?
Till you shake how you need them and chip off. Yeah, man, burn up. Yeah, man, rub burn for your
my love. I know that I've been fucked up, but
jacket this nigga wearing harder than a bitch, nigga. That shit crazy. Shit black on black, nigga, but that shit hard.
Vagina was so close, and you got the perfect mouth. She real naughty, yeah, like Missbnasty, yeah. So clean and decent.
Oh, she real nasty, is it?
But she real nasty, yeah. Triple X rated graphics, yeah. She love trees and drinks,
Yeah.
she's such a freak, yeah. She don't give a shit.
Skilly, out here. Where you in, bro? In London? Huh? Yeah, in London, because all I carry my front license plate.
She love big body. Fuck from now till the morning. I make you sweat like say you start sprint. When you brace up your pussy for me, yeah. Oh, your feet, yeah. Me no smell nothing. And now you clean like clean laundry. Brand new like Christmas gift.
And you clean like clean laundry. Brand new like Christmas gift. Easy.
She real naughty, yeah, like Missbnasty, yeah. So clean and decent, but she real nasty, yeah. Triple X rated graphics, yeah. She love trees and drinks,
Yeah.
she's such a freak, yeah.
But she, hey.
She don't give a shit.
Wait. Is this Skilly singing? Weird. Me just a real. Weird. A Skilly. Wait, is this Skilly singing? Me just I realize how I'm going. Skilly, you know you're tough, you know you're tough. You're tough. Yeah, man, dog using swag and the energy to show you off. Dog, I sing. And then you pay attention and say, wait, Skilly, you can't sing, dog. But you're so far in the tune, you feel to say you're gone. When before Cartel started singing, people forgot to say you're straight DJ. Cartel used to DJ before he started singing, you know. You see me? When more father come in and I go and like say, he can't sing too tougher than that, and Cartel start singing pan. Yo. Big up Skilly. But yo, that is hilarious, bro. This man was singing this whole time and I didn't even realize it. You see me? I say, well, more like harmonizing, but yeah, film version of singing that. You see? She's talking so beautiful, but I wasn't realizing, bro. I didn't even have pay attention. Tell me, did you catch that? Did you catch that, gang? If they say you catch it, I'll lie you at them. Or, you know, you just have to pay attention. But yeah, the flow was so hard. Like the concept and the flow was so hard. I wasn't paying attention to the fact that, yo, still where I sing about bad. You see me, I say, yes, she mean like Missbnasty. So clean, so beautiful, but she. Oh yeah, song tough though. Big up Skillibeng. As me I said, this topic is, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Missbnasty in the video. Yeah, man. Like I said, he'll be making moves, bro. He'll be linking with international artists and public figures, bro. And not only that, he be working with them, collaborating with them, but they be in the videos, he be in their videos. They be actually linking. You know what I'm saying? On some like actual, genuine shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, shout out to Skillibeng, shout out to Missbnasty. Yeah, man, that track tough. Big up to Skillibeng, bro. But Skillibeng, forward back there, we need more consistent tracks and videos. You see me as a G? Yeah, man. Already on tour and stuff like that, so I guess, you know, but no, man, we need a pan the ground. Not literally pan the ground in Jamaica, but we need a drop tune again. We need a pan the scene. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. But till next time, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. If you like, just show the artist some love and support. You know, say Jambisco dancing, you know. You see me, I say? I just know say the Dan is back. We there take over. You see me? Latest reaction channel on YouTube. I don't know, it's boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Come on.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.